Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, today we are hearing how to extend your tourist visa for an additional 90 days. Yeah, so when you arrived at the airport, at the migration, they stamp your passport, and if you see the stamp, they fill in 90 days in this box in the stamp. That means you can stay 90 days and the 90 days counts from the entry date to the leaving date. Now, if you want to stay a little bit longer in this beautiful country, you can. So that means you can stay twice 90 days, but you have to take action to get the second 90 days. This is called Prórroga. This is the technical term, and this means you have to apply the second 90 days in written electronically, and this you have to do more or less 1 week before your actual tourist visa is going to expire. If you want to do it with us, contact us 2 or 3 weeks before your visa is going to expire to have enough time to prepare everything. So, the cost of such a prórroga, the governmental costs are 143,000 pesos. In the most of the cases, depends a little bit on your nationality, but in general it's about 143,000 pesos. In 2025, things can change. If you want to do it with us so that we take care, we make all the paperwork for you, it's about 300,000 pesos. So now there is one problem with the prórroga. Many clients had already confusion about when you are over the year here in Colombia. That means, let's say you have been in October, November, December 2024 already here. You made one prórroga, you got 90 days extra. So now you are January, February, March in the country in 2025, and yes, you're right, you are just 90 days in 2025 here in Colombia. Now that means, can you now make another prórroga for the second 90 days that you have the right per calendar year, 180 days to stay in Colombia? No, you have to leave the country. You just can do it once. The prórroga means you don't have to leave the country, you don't have to make a visa run, you just can stay in the country, but this you can just do once. And this problem you will not have if it's not over the year end, so then you just make the prórroga. What documents do you need? You need to prove that you are going to leave in the second 90 days the country. How do you prove this? This you prove with a flight ticket or a bus ticket. You have to show that you're leaving the country, and it has to be a ticket, not just a reservation. With a reservation you will not get the extension. I know many people, they want to let it open the day when they want to travel, but to get the second 90 days without leaving the country, you need to have a paid flight ticket. I recommend you to follow this channel, because here on this channel you get all important information about taxes, about how to rent an apartment, general questions, visas, and so on, what are the requirements for visas, taxes, and so on. A lot of important information on this channel. So yeah, I hope I could give you an overview. If you have any question, you also can call me with this number. You can get me on the phone direct, and we can speak in German, we can speak in English, in Spanish. So it's up to you to contact us, and then hopefully we see us soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Find a brand new place in Colombia's embrace. Feel the rhythm in the air. Dance without a care.